it's me Scotty here and welcome back to my channel. So today we're working on Splatoon. If you don't know what Splatoon is, it's basically a Nintendo Switch video game that came out recently. I want to say maybe a year or 2 years ago. I'm not sure exactly when it came out, but it's about these inkling characters who basically like splatters paint and it's a fun game. I don't own it, but I think they're sort of cute. The only reason how I know it is because it came out in the Smash Ultimate, and those characters are now an option. And I saw the way how they are, and no lie, I am very interested in buying the game myself. I'm thinking about getting Splatoon and Splatoon 2, so that way I can keep up with the storylines. So yeah, right now I'm a total noob at it, but I mean, if you haven't saw my daughter to be video, I'll link that down below. Um, I mentioned how my husband calls my daughter Inkling, and that's her nickname. And he chose that character. He's really like fond to that character. He bonded with it, and it represents our daughter. So we're gonna go ahead and do my daughter's side and my son's side right here. So I know Splatoon has to do with like splattered like paint, ink, things like that. So I went ahead and did some research about people who done splattered makeup, and I found a lot of ideas. So I'm like, let me try to glam it up and do my own. So that's what I did. I did a glam up eyeshadow, but then it looked like I was in the middle of a war. So I went ahead and did the blue side for my son and the orange side for my daughter. So the lips, I just thought it would be cool to do a dual lip color. I kind of want to be like doing dual lips for a while. So that's what I did right there. You tell me what you think about it. I, for one, am loving this look. It's just something new and crazy. Makeup doesn't have to be all perfect. Art. It's a form of art. So that's what I did. So you go ahead and tell me what you guys think about this look. I, for one, love it. And let's just, get straight to the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to do that. So there's that as well. You can go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My Instagram is ScottyTheHottie.4 and my Twitter is ScottyTheHottie_4. So there's that as well. Without further ado, let's just get straight to the video. So before we do the whole eye makeup, we're going to go ahead and do our base first. So we're going to go ahead and prime our face. The e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. Finish foundation in the color Vanilla. My e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. We're going to go ahead and do our T-zone areas. Using the LA Colors eyeshadow primer, we're going to go ahead and prime our eyes and set it with a white eyeshadow. First, we're going to go ahead into this 18 Hit Wonder palette with that color Summer, and we're going to use that as our transition shade up here above the crease. Jewel Pop palette, we're going to go ahead and grab this orange shade right here and put that at the crease. Now going back into the 18 Hit Wonder palette, we're going to go ahead and take this shade right here called Heat. And we're going to place that at the inner part of our lid. L'Oreal little palette, we're going to go ahead and dip into this light blue shade right there, and we're going to put it above the crease area, just like how we did with the orange one with the shade Summer. Into this Jewel Pop palette again, we're going to take that blue and put it right at the crease line. Now going into Electric and Royal together, we're going to go ahead and pop that at the inner half of our lid. Back to the eyes, we're going to go ahead and set the rest of our face using the CoverGirl Clean Matte Press Powder. And we're also going to dust away this big powder that we have going. Go ahead and use this orange shade right here and do our under eye. We're going to smoke it out. So we're going to dip into the shade Electric and do this eye. So inklings from Splatoon are pretty young, so we're gonna go ahead and not contour our face with the usual contour palette. We're gonna go ahead and grab this blush right here, Milani blush, and we're gonna go ahead and use that to contour our face. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our rose blush brush from the Rebel Rose collection of Wet n Wild. And then we're gonna contour our face the usual way, just with blush. Are gonna contour our nose. We're gonna make it look smaller, sort of. So we're gonna go ahead and grab. I'm gonna do an upside down triangle on my nose. That's pigmented. Hold that up. We're gonna try that again. Upside down triangle. I want this nose to be exaggerate, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Now, just massage it in. It's gonna give us that illusion of a little sniffle nose. See that? While highlighting powder in the color Blossom Glow and finish off the illusion. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my little pinky, just a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and put it at the very tip right there. We want to keep it inside that triangle. There. So Splatoon characters has to do with paint. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this little brow pomade we made. If you haven't saw the video, it's in my how to get color eyebrows. If you haven't saw the video, it's in how to get color eyebrows tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and link that down below. That video is connected to this video. So I show you how to get these color eyebrows. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our brush. You could use a spoolie. I have an eyebrow brush, so we're gonna go ahead and use that. I'm gonna dip into that orange product. And now, this is where your creativity comes in. This is not a clean look at all. Splatoon characters has paint on them because, you know, that's the whole point of the game. So we're gonna go ahead and dip into that orange product. Sort of splatter a triangle. I can't live without highlighter. We're gonna just use our finger. My lip paint long-lasting smudge-proof color, the color Leather. I know, right? Oh, pucker up? No, Leather. Lip paint long-lasting smudge-proof color in the color Bubblegum. Now, I'm just gonna grab, no. Now I'm just going to place it in the center. Use my finger to smudge it out. Now to lock this all in place and we're done. That concludes the video of this makeup look right here. So you guys tell me what you think about this look. I, for one, am digging it. I was a little skeptical about it at first. I was scared. I was like, I don't know if I should. Don't know if I shouldn't. But, you know, I was like, why not? I should totally go for it. I mean, I know it's similar to a clown makeup. I'm so used to doing clown makeup stuff. But, I mean, I made it more messier because Splatoon's like, it's out there, you know? So that's what I did. I went ahead and splattered everything. I even mixed like the shadows with my highlighter to give it like an orange, to give it more like an orange and blue sort of thing. So I did that. If you don't know how to get color eyebrows, I'll just link that down below. I did a tutorial on it recently. Like I actually did it filming this, so I'll just link that down below. Dual lip color. I know the little black is seeping through, but that's fine. It's cool. I, for one, am digging this look. You tell me what you think. This is such a mood right now. Okay, well, you know, without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and keep this short. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and put that down below. I have a couple of makeup looks coming out, so be prepared for those. I have another DIY coming out soon as well, the DIY liquid highlighter, and my husband does my makeup challenge will be out soon as well. So, you know, there's that. But, you know, without further ado, I guess that's it. So, I'll see you next time. Bye, hotties.